Hi, my name's Jamie and I'm with Skin Resource.MD. I'm here today to tell you about some of my favorite products. I'm going to start with one of my absolute favorites, the Crystal Clarity Exfoliation Scrub. I love this product. It's a go-to product whenever I want to renew my skin, feel like it's getting maybe a little sluggish, or I haven't been doing what I need to do to take care of my skin. This is the product that I reach for. We just recently put it in a tube. It used to be a 1-ounce jar. We now have it in a 2-ounce tube, and it's the same price, which is phenomenal. The tube also just makes it easier to carry with you. It makes it easier to leave in the shower or to sit on your bathroom counter. It's very easy to use with the flip cap that you can just squeeze out and use. So, wonderful product. To tell you a little bit about the Crystal Clarity, the reason I use this is sometimes my skin can get a little dull if I'm not doing what I need to be doing. You basically take a very small amount, I'd say a nickel size, if that big even. You moisten your skin, you take a small amount on your fingertips, and you gently rub it in. It takes a very small amount to cover every area. What you're actually rubbing in your skin is a microcrystal. It's ash-based, pumice-based, very fine. It's not going to damage your skin, but it is going to gently polish your skin. It's going to take off that top layer of dead skin cells while letting the new skin come to the surface. Because this product is in a cream base, it's very nourishing to your skin. So you are polishing and rubbing in these wonderful essential oils basically into your skin as you use it. Looking at some of the ingredients, just to let you know, let's see, the volcanic ash, of course, the microcrystals, which is a pumice base, aloe, let's see, green tea leaf extract, jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, chamomile, lots of other things. And what this does is it polishes your skin while nourishing your skin. It's wonderful. I usually leave it on after I rub it in for a few seconds, and it almost draws out the impurities. You can feel it getting a little bit tighter. It's not really a mask, but it does draw out the impurities. Then I wash it off. My skin instantly looks brighter, fresher by taking off that top layer of dead skin cells. Highly recommend this product. If nothing else, have this up in your bathroom counter so you can use it when you really need it. And believe me, there are days when you look in the mirror and you're like, yes, I need to rejuvenate my skin, give it a little kickstart. This is the product.